Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do a charging test in the Realme X2 device using the Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0, as you can see here in this video. So this is a video where a few of the subscribers are asking me to make a video on this one. So what is the charging speed rate in the Realme X2 device if you are trying to charge the phone with other third-party chargers? So will it charge fast, or how much time it actually takes to completely charge from 0 to 100? So you can find this kind of unique videos which I'll be doing in my channel so continuously even in the future. So as you can see, the playlist which contain in detail reviews about the Realme X2 as well. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. So you can see this is a small chart which I created for the current test. For every 30 minutes I'll be recording the time, how much time it actually takes to charge the Realme X2 device. So as you can see, the test has been begun right now. So I connected the adapter and I'm using not the Realme cable as well. I'm using the third-party cable. So as you can see, after 30 minutes of charging the device, it's just reached only 26%. So that means the phone is charging at very low speed rate, as you can see here. And after 1 hour of charging the device, it charged to the 52%, as you can see here. So overall, by this time you have understood it won't support the Quick Charge 3.0, and it takes a little bit of more time to actually charge the device. So that's why I recorded even after 2 hours of charging as well. So you can see 95% right now the battery in the Realme X2 is. So overall, the last 5% took a lot of time to complete charge the Realme X2 device. So overall guys, this is the quick video using the Quick Charge 3.0 in the Realme X2 device. So these are speed results for the charging test on the X2 phone. So overall, the speed results is pretty low when compared with the normal virtual charger which came along with the box in the Realme X2 device. So that means the phone doesn't support any third-party fast charging adapters. So which even I'll be demonstrating you by charging with the phone with a 25 watts charger which came along with the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus as well in the future. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to check the links in description for the playlist. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.